Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to charge Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So here is my phone Redmi Note 14 and first I will look inside the box because we need something from here. Let's remove this little one and also this piece of paper, and here we have the power adapter and also the charging cable. And first let's take a look to this power adapter, and we have a 33 watts power adapter with USB type 2. And this is the charging cable, and let's look to this cable. And here we have USB type 2, and this side I will connect to the power adapter, and on the other side we have a USB type 3, and this part will connect to my phone. Now let's connect first to the charger, and I will plug it in. Okay, and here I have a little tool, and with this one we'll measure the real power from this power adapter, and I will connect the cable to this tool, and now we'll connect to my phone. And now it's charging, and let's see Mi Turbo charger. Okay, and let's see the real power, and we have 25 watts, 24, almost 25 watts, so this is a good power. And now let's go to settings, and here we have battery. And let's see the time until fully charged, and we have 16 minutes. Okay, so this is a very good time. So this was my video for today. If you want to charge your phone, we have a power adapter inside the box. This is a good thing, and it's working very well on this phone. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.